Welcome, here I've got Doogee S88 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with the geotagging option here. So by just one tap we can turn it off or turn it on. And when we have this, we can save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the left to this button. By tapping on it, we get quick access to the gallery. And this is our photo. To check its location, we have to just simply slide a little bit down. And as you can see here, we get access to more details with the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.